Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If the rear power windows do not work on your Chevy Cruze, guys, stay with us. We'll show you which fuse you need to check. Also, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below, guys. Let us know honestly what you think and how we can improve the channel. That will mean a lot to us now. So this is, guys, the Cruze. It's a 2015 model Chevy Cruze, but it should be the same procedure for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016. Let me turn the key on, the ignition on, and I will demonstrate how the rear windows do not work from the front or the rear. Okay, from the front or the rear controls. So I'm going to press in here. Okay, check it out. Nothing. I will come from here, guys. Make sure that I don't have the child lock. Okay, you can see now it's deactivated. I will try again. Nothing. So how we know, guys, okay, how we can fix that? By just replacing a fuse. If both of the windows do not work, most likely it's a fuse, guys. Fuse, you need to check relays as well, but that's the most common reason. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we need to open, guys, the fuse box. This is the cover. We have 3 places, 3 clips holding it. So those, guys, okay, need to press towards each other. One here, one there, and this one most likely will come loose. If not, do it anyways. Okay, check out how they work. You can see how they open and close. So the fuse, guys, that we need to check now, okay, will be fuse, guys, number 21. Okay, 21, and it's a JK fuse. Okay, JK fuses are the big square fuses. Okay, so let's come a little bit closer. Okay, perfect, like this one. Okay, this fuse, guys, right here, it's number 21. The number is next to it here, and this is the fuse that we need to remove. How you guys do that? Okay, this is the fuse puller here. There is 1, 2 that you need to pull back. Okay, and now with the white part of the puller, go squish like that, go on top of the fuse. Now grab it on the bottom and start shaking it. Okay, might need to use 2 hands, and eventually the fuse comes out. Now on most of them you can tell inside if it's burnt or not. This one looks like, I can tell, guys, I can tell for sure, but you can always use let me demonstrate. You can always use a voltmeter. Regular voltmeter will work too, but this is a true RMS. Check it out, guys, listed in the description of the video below together with the fuse. If you're looking for a good voltmeter, this is very good. Okay, and if I touch the fuse on both sides, okay, we should have zeros on the screen, and this fuse is bad. Let me grab the replacement one quick. Okay, this is the replacement one. Let me test it again and show you guys. Okay, I lost it. Check it out now. It shows us zeros, guys. So that's a good fuse. There is communication from one end of the fuse to the other one. So we're going to put this fuse in. Okay, make sure you guys press it all the way in. Okay, make sure you get your puller here so you don't lose it for next time. We'll put the cover in just a second, but I want to see if the windows work first. The rear windows again. So let's get the key, put it in, turn the key again to the first position even. Now if I press the button, definitely, guys, goes up, you can see, and I can even do it from here as well without any problem. So that's the fuse, guys, for the rear power windows. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.